Well, today is the last day for Governor Sisolak to either sign or veto the bills that were passed by the legislature. So he spent the day traveling around the valley, signing some of the higher profile bills into law.
And that includes a bevy of bills related to elections and school funding. Politics Now co-host Patrick Walker live in the 8 News Now newsroom after catching up with the governor earlier on today. Patrick?
Well, Brian and Denise, a lot of these public bill signings are for what the governor would consider as signature laws. That includes Senate Bill 543. That's the new way our schools will be funded, which was perhaps the heaviest lift of the session for lawmakers. SB 543 is essentially the repeal and replace of the 50-plus-year-old school funding formula that's currently on the books. Clark County benefits greatly from this change because it would see increased funding levels that better match our student population. Also, for students with special needs or who are English language learners or even gifted and talented, the bill provides more funding to schools for each of those children to offset the higher costs of education for them.
52 years under the old formula is long enough. It's exciting that we're able to move forward. It's not the end, this is the beginning, and I'm excited as we embark on this next part of the process.
We have more students today in Nevada than we had citizens in Nevada in 1967. It's a totally different environment. I mean, just the community itself is more diverse. There's just the needs are so much different.
Well, the governor also signed several election-related bills into law today. One would restore the right to vote for convicted felons as soon as they are released from prison, even if they're still on parole or probation. That's estimated to affect about 77,000 Nevadans. And the so-called motor voter law will also go into effect. That changes the optional voter registration process at the DMV into an automatic process unless you opt out. Right now, it's considered an opt-in system. Overall, lawmakers passed 638 bills during the 4-month legislative session. Pending any last-second vetoes tonight, the governor only rejected 2 of them. One would have pledged Nevada's electoral votes to the winner of the national popular vote in a presidential race. The other had to do with allowing limousines to be subcontracted like Ubers to give rides. Live in the newsroom, I'm Patrick Walker, 8 News Now.